Welcome to our tutorial on the extract command. I'm going to start by activating the extract command. Our extract definition window opens. Under propagation type, we've got 4 options. I'll start by selecting no propagation. Under elements to extract, I'll select this face. In this mode, only this face will be extracted because there's no propagation. If I select the complementary mode, all faces but this one will be extracted. Let's unselect it, and let's go to the next option, Tangent Continuity. Now we see 2 faces are selected because, of course, there is a tangency at this line. Let's take a look at our next option, Point Continuity. When this option is selected, all adjacent faces to the selected face are extracted, as you can see here. Let's cancel out of this for now. We'll activate the Extract tool again. Let's take a look at the Curvature Continuity option. For elements to extract, I'll select this edge. Here we have 2 callouts. Right here we can see a curvature discontinuity of 0.5 and an angular discontinuity of 3.885 degrees. Let's click Show Parameters to get some more information. Under Curvature Threshold, I'll enter, let's say, 0.3 and hit the Tab key. You see that the line is propagated all the way to this corner. Basically, the distance threshold, angular threshold, and curvature threshold control the parameters of this extracted entity. I'm going to cancel out of this for now and reactivate the extract command. Let's select Point Continuity. And now let's check the Federation option. A small f has appeared next to our feature in the specification tree. Let's click OK. Let me take a moment to explain what the Federation option means. The Federation option creates a group of elements that can still be detected when one of the elements is highlighted. Let me show you what I mean. You see now I'm mousing over and the entire extract.1 gets highlighted. Let's double-click and deselect Federation. Click OK again. Now when we drag the mouse over the surface, only one extracted surface is highlighted. And this concludes our tutorial on the extract command.